you're the one. Finally, I've seen you. I've been heard of you over many weeks now. Finally, I've seen you, Abi. You go out of this house.
If I should listen to you,
you will go out of this house today.
Do you know me?
I don't know.
Do you know me?
You must not. No. You doesn't do anything. I give you money. I give you money. You don't give me the money for what? Ashamed of myself. For what?
Oga, I want to ask you one question now. Why did you bring this woman?
Oga, if you make an answer, you make come on here.
Why she go come on? Tell me why. Hello guys, it's your boy Kenog. So guys, like this, we dey on another matter. But then, I have here with
Chimanelson TV.
All right, so guys, I'm here with Chimanelson TV, and I'm here with our auntie here. So guys, it get everything they up like this way. Be say, in fact, when she tell me this thing, I felt somehow. I called Chimanelson. I was like, Chimanelson, please, you go follow me, go this place to witness waiting they happen. But then, guys, I not go use my mouth talk. Make I give this lady this opportunity to tell Una as it dey be. So, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So, what's your name?
I'm Favor.
Favor. So, Favor, why did you call me to come and meet you?
Yeah, actually, I've been following you online for some time now.
Okay.
I was one that called you the other day.
Okay.
Telling you that I needed to see you concerning my husband.
Okay.
Thank God I'm here today.
All right.
I've been married to this man for some years now. Even the property, everything in the house, I contributed 90% to it.
90%?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
He doesn't do anything. I was the one catering for the whole house. NEPA bill, all the bills in short, food, everything. But as at last week, I got a call from a neighbor. Though I traveled for 2 weeks, I get a call from neighbors telling me that my husband brought in a woman, a girl to the house.
To the house?
To the house, introducing her to everybody in the compound that that's my new wife, according to him. So I came back, confronted him. He said yes, that he did it. That what can I do about it? So that is why I came to you, so that you can help me and chase this gay away from the house. Because I still love my husband. Besides everything in the house, like I said before, I contributed 90% to the house property, everything. So that is why I came to you. Whether you can help me and chase her away from me.
Okay, sorry, let me ask you this question. Have you confronted, since this issue has been happening, have you seen this lady like face to face?
I've not seen her.
Chimanelson, what can you say?
For real, I'm speechless right now. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, you contributed 90% of
90% of the whole property we had.
Can I ask you this question, please?
Okay, sir.
What actually went wrong? Can you tell me?
Nothing. He just had to change overnight. Nothing happened.
You didn't do anything?
Nothing. I didn't do anything to him. He just had to change overnight. Yeah.
This is serious.
So is it that he's trying to like get a second wife to get you out of the family? Is that what his plan is?
I think so, because when the neighbor called me, I have to call him because I'm not around. I traveled. He said yes to my face. Like I was talking to him on phone. He said yes. That he brought a girl to the house. What can I do?
What can you do?
Yes.
Just for us to go and talk to him and see if he's going to reason like a man. Like, let's talk to him man on man and see how it goes. I understand how you're feeling. It's not really easy.
But this is husband. Is he a violent type? Like,
He's not. He's cool.
He's cool.
Yes. I don't know what came over him.
All right. So guys, like this, we know the door. Okay. As they call us for this job, anything they call us to do, we go do them. As long as say no go take person life, no go take person head. Okay. This is now family issue like this now. So she go give us the location of the place. We go there like this. Make we go confront this man to know why him go they do this thing to the wife. Imagine a married wife still get side chick. The wife know they around. He carry the side chick come house. Then him come they hear say the woman come they hear say the man they carry the side chicks they come house. And according to her, she never see that girl before. But she don't get the information say the woman did the house, Abi.
Yes.
So you will give us the direction. So we go in there, Abi.
Okay, sir.
So guys, let's go there. Is it this place?
This is your place.
Okay, bro, we'll go now.
So you are true. Kenneth, after all I've done for you,
Where
what am I going to?
are you going?
You're asking me where am I going to? Am I not your wife? Am I not your wife? I'm asking you. So because you in the house, you're asking me where am I going to? Are you okay?
Please, who are you? Who are
Are
you?
you okay?
Oga, calm down.
After all I've done
Calm
for you,
down.
Kenneth, where is I get? Bring her
Calm
out.
down.
If you
I said she bring her out from that place. Bring her out. Bring her out.
don't push me.
Hold on.
Me, I want to see the girl.
Don't push
I
me,
want to
oh.
see her. I want to see what she looks like.
Oga.
For the past 2 weeks that you've been out of here, I've had peace. Don't push me. Oh.
You have peace.
If you know where you got her from, please take her back to that place.
Me, I want to see that girl.
Okay, thank God. Yes, who are you?
After all I've done for you,
Who
what
are
did you
you?
have,
What can I do
Kenneth?
for you?
What did you have? What did you contribute to this house?
Oga,
That
Oga, I want to
you
see
bring a
you.
girl inside this
My
house.
name is Ken Oga. I want to see you, sir.
From where?
What guts do you have?
Please, can I see you?
Calm down, calm down.
Oga, can I see you?
Okay, please, can I
What is that? What is that?
I'm entering.
Oh, the way can I come back?
Oga, calm
You're not
down.
going to do here. Stay there.
Calm down.
Stay
Calm
there
down.
and bring her out.
Calm
I want
down.
to see her here. Oh,
Babe, wait,
oh,
wait.
you are the one.
Babe, wait first.
So you're the one. Finally, I've seen you. I've been
I
heard
want
of
to
you
see you.
over
What is
many
the
weeks
problem?
now. You will go out of this house.
If I should listen to you,
You will go out of this house today.
Okay,
oh.
do you know me?
I don't know.
Do you know me? If you want me to listen to you, please tell this idiot to shut up and get out of
Me,
here.
idiot.
There's no how. Oga,
You are
calm down.
idiot.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes,
Don't
yes.
say that. Don't say
No
that.
problem. No problem.
Don't say that, Oga. Is this not your
No
wife?
problem.
She's
After all
your
I've done
wife.
for her, for him.
She's your
After
wife,
all
for
I've
God's
done for
sake.
him.
Oga, let me ask you one question. Is she your wife or not? Simple. Is she your wife or not?
But okay, what you're doing now is really, really unfair.
She stopped being my wife the moment she.
You have
No.
anything to say. Okay, you don't have anything
Oga,
to say.
I want to talk to you.
You don't have anything to say.
I want to talk to you.
So let's
Oga,
just
come
go.
on,
He
let's
doesn't do
talk.
anything in this house.
It's very
I contributed
simple.
in everything in this house. Food, children's school fees.
Oga, who is this woman?
Everything. And he has a gun to
no
do around my
No.
house.
Madam, come.
He
Who
will
is this
not-
woman?
Come outside. Come and meet me here.
Babe,
So you're the one finally. You're the one. You will move out of this house today. You will move out of this house today. Let's bet. You will move out of this house today. Don't worry.
Oga, who is this woman?
my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend. But you're married.
Oga, you not married.
So?
Why are you doing
This
this?
is your wife for God. This is your legal wife for God's
Will you
sake now.
Will you call this marriage?
What happened?
No, will you call this marriage?
What happened? Okay,
No,
but-
tell them.
For
Tell
the
them what
past-
happened.
For the past
Tell
3
them what
years.
happened.
Yes.
For the past 3 years, she had paid more attention to her business than to me. Yes, I lost my job. It wasn't my fault. Nobody pursue myself. You know, for sometimes this woman will travel for 1 week. I won't even know where she's going to.
I'm
But she's
going to
calling
bring
you
her
on
the
phone
money.
now. Hold
I will
on.
call you. I will call you.
She's not calling you.
I will call you.
Oga, hold on. No. That is not the problem. No, hold on.
Attend to
Before I go
me.
marry.
What you carry? You
Now,
can't
before I go marry.
Is that the reason you can't?
Am I not a man? Don't I have
You
No.
are a man.
No.
Don't I have
You don't have
that?
money. You don't have money.
Don't I have
I'm the one bringing the money inside.
They say
I am the one bringing the money. I will bring the money. He will spend it on his girlfriend for what?
Oga,
For what?
Oga, no insult me.
How
Oh.
will I go go? You went
Oga, no.
She must come outside.
No.
She must come outside.
Oga, calm down. Oga, come here. I'll
She must come outside.
This guy.
I give you money, then you will know the good. You should not shine on the husband. For what?
See,
You cannot say
Oga,
that.
wait. Oga, you no make any call. No make any
You will
call.
not make any
Oga.
call here.
Who you want call?
You will not make any
Who
call
you want
here.
call?
I want for you.
Who you want to call?
Guy,
She
calm
wants
down.
to know. You must know. No, you doesn't do anything. I give you money. I give you money. You don't give you the money for what? Ashamed of myself. For what?
Oga, I want to ask you one question now. Why did you bring this woman?
Oga, if you want me to answer you,
Come
on here.
Why she go from one tell? It's not your wife. It's not your wife.
Jobless human being.
No, hold on. It's not your wife.
Jobless Nigeria.
Don't
You.
touch me.
Jobless Nigeria.
It's not
You.
your wife.
Don't touch me, oh. Jobless Nigeria.
You want that?
Shut up your mouth. Shut up.
Oga,
I said she shut up.
Oga,
Babe, shut up. No even talk. Shut up. Backing door.
Wait,
When you back finish.
But madam, is this your house? Is this your house?
Hey,
Your house is this.
He
You want grandma?
I have with this.
You want grandma?
I have with this. I your husband.
Who get house here? Now you dey pay.
I your husband.
I will pay for us to come and stay inside.
Oga, forget that thing, Oga. Oga, forget that thing. Oga, come, I want to talk to you.
She must go. She must go to this house today.
Oga, come, I want to talk to you.
I'm not your wife. She will leave.
Oga,
She will leave.
Oga,
Come out. I said she will leave. Shut up your mouth. She will leave.
Oga, come out.
So not even touch my man again.
Not
even try.
Who be your man? Who be your man?
Hear your voice here again. I beg.
Just touch him.
Who be your man? Are you married to him?
You will marry.
Now your husband. Oga, no. Oga, why hold
I
your
won't
phone?
give you your phone. It's my phone.
What is
Oga,
your name?
Oga, come.
So it belongs
I
to me.
am
You
cannot.
can see for picture of
You
privacy.
cannot, Oga. You cannot. You no fit.
Not done it. This is your
You no fit, Oga. You no fit. Oga, come out. Talk to you. Come.
When you left the house, where were you?
Oga, come. You very simple. Come and talk to you. Come.
Come, let's talk like a man. That's what
talk like a man. You know what they vex for you? How you go allow woman come? They fight your
don't
wife.
get, eh?
Why woman go they fight your wife?
She stopped
You
being
see
my
your
wife.
wife?
Did they stop listening?
How? Explain to us
She's
now.
not like my
Come.
wife. Did they-
I will go to work. I will bring money. I will go to work. I will bring money.
Oga,
Give it to him. He will
if you
not
want me to
even
talk
thank
to
you for
you,
what?
let her go outside.
No.
For what? That money is not everything.
Madam.
I will thank you for what?
Oga, come.
Let's in Nigeria. That's who we are.
Get out.
Oga, I'm not going anywhere.
Don't they get anywhere? More just.
Oga, where they go?
Tenants,
You
not
want
that
talk
mind.
But I'm not going to get anywhere.
Oga,
You
come.
don't
Want
know how
talk to you.
shishi.
I'm not going
How
anywhere.
much can you post off?
Oga, you know this. Come.
How much can you post off?
Oga,
How much
come.
can you
Wait.
post off?
You dey get- Oga, come first. Come.
You don't have shishi.
This man.
You don't have anything to post off. She must go out, but she must move out.
Oga, they talk to you now. Oga, come here first. Oga, come out. Come out first. Imagine, guy.
Calm down. Just calm down.
She will go. She must move out too.
Come on.
So how you going to do now? He has locked the door. Oga, come out first now. Oga,
Yeah,
come.
show first.
Show them more talk
I will
now.
break this door. I will break this door.
No, just calm
I will
down.
break
No,
the door
no,
right
no.
now.
No.
My head no correct, oh. My head no
Oga, come
correct,
out.
When you're
oh.
tired of ranting, you get
You know
out.
make sense, Oga.
I'm from Benue State.
Respect you. Say
I am
When
from
you're
Benue
tired of
State. Our head no
ranting,
dey correct. They hear me. I'm from Benue State. Our head no dey correct.
I'm from Anambra.
My head no correct.
I'm from
I will show you
Anambra.
Oga, come out.
I will show you
Come out.
today. I will show you from Benue State. You dey hear am?
When I've been complaining
I
for the
will
past
show you
3 years,
from
what did
Benue
you
State
do?
today.
When I've been complaining for the past year, what did you do?
Oga, come. Oga,
Because your
come.
business
I've
and
been
business
bringing money for
Oga,
you.
come.
I've been
One
bringing
simple
money
thing
for
this
you.
man don't fit do for house.
I've been bringing money for you. I've been bringing
She can't
money.
clean.
Favor,
No
wait.
attention.
Hold on, madam, wait.
Touch person.
But is that the reason why
Person
you
no get money
bring?
touch person.
Wait.
your own matrimonial home.
Your own, as in somehow.
Oga, off that camera.
He will not off it. In short, video more. He will not off it.
Oga, come. Oga, come. Oga, come outside first
If
now.
you want 4 minutes from now till the next 100 years, I am not coming
Oga,
out.
come.
Oga, seize the
I
phone.
am trying to manage
If
you.
she want the
You are so
phone, no
broke.
problem. Seize the
You don't have
phone.
nothing.
Seize the phone. No
But she
problem.
must leave today. She will
Madam, don't worry,
leave.
madam, come.
She will leave.
Oga, if you want us to talk,
Since-
you know what to do. As far as I'm concerned,
Yes, now I want us to talk
anything
now.
in
Come
front
out
of
now.
this
It's very
idiot.
simple.
I am not going to say anything in front of this idiot.
But hold on.
Yes.
Since you don't want us to settle this amicably, just don't worry, relax. We are coming back for you.
Are you threatening me?
Yes.
In my own house?
Yes.
Oga,
What can you do?
yes.
In
Oga,
my
your
own
house. Are you paying for the house?
Of the rent.
Are you paying for the house? Are you paying? Where cable? Look at this man. Who are you? Who are you? Are you paying for the house?
Madam, don't worry, don't worry.
Imagine.
On you.
It's not your own. We are
Come
coming
on,
back to you.
come on.
Just
Come
please
on.
tell me what
Let's
is that?
settle this amicably.
Get that them in the house. And if I say this, if I say this thing on Facebook
You
or
see,
anywhere,
oh,
I
Oga,
will track you.
Oga, forget it. Track me anything. Oga, you don't go track me
We are
anything.
coming back for you.
You don't go track me anything, Oga. You don't go track
You get my
me.
poster.
You don't fit track me. You
Get my
don't fit track me.
Since
Calm
I've been
down.
calling for the past
Oga, you don't fit track me, Oga. I am doing my job. You don't make sense. Imagine.
Don't you own,
Wait for my
I
return.
personally, you
Wait
see
for my
me back.
return, oh.
If you want, go and tell her.
Wait for my return,
I will
oh.
not open this
Wait
door.
for my
Back
return.
my face. I'm coming
Wait for
back
my
for
return.
you.
Going.
Full time.
Just wait for my
Islam.
return.
Let's go.
You see.
See, this
Don't
guy-
worry.
I call you. I call you as a man. I call this man. I call him as a man. Come outside, more talk. So you lock door inside. Don't worry. I am coming back for you.
Don't worry.
Imagine.
Tell her what to do. Don't worry.
Imagine.
This guy is. How mommy the reason, sir? What kind of reason he be that one?
Imagine.
Calm down.
As in, like. So guys, like this, we approached like the woman's house, their family house. Imagine, you can't be say the man even dey there with the woman inside the house. I come dey beg this man say make him come outside make we reason. The man get God to threaten me. See guys, we are coming back again. We dey come again to another update from this issue. Abeg share this video. Thank you.